Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm journaling in my 2021 A5 Hobonichi Cousin Avec, and I'm catching you up on the last couple of days, Thursday, yesterday, and today, Friday. So grab your journal and let's do it. I cut out this piece of collage from one of my son's scouting magazines, and it's got this little red-haired kid that just kills me, and I love him so much. It reminds me so much of Henry, my 10-year-old son who has red hair. So it's perfect. And I felt the need to commemorate our daily ritual. So Henry, as you can imagine as a 10-year-old boy, could not care less what he wears, as long as it's not jeans. God forbid I try and put the kid in jeans, which are considered possibly the fanciest item of clothing that one could wear. I mean, what he wears must be some sort of sweatpants. And Addie, as you can imagine, as an 8, almost 9-year-old girl, is very, very concerned with everything that she wears. So every morning she asks me, "Mommy, will you pick out my clothes?" And I say, "Why, sure, sweetheart." And I go into her room and I pick something out, and bear in mind, it could be the exact same thing that she wore a few days prior, maybe the previous week, that she loved. I present it, and the queen lays down her judgment.
"That is hideous. I am not wearing it. It's terrible."
Every single morning, you guys. Every single morning. And I finally said, "Addie, I'm not picking out your clothes anymore. You never wear what I pick out. Just pick your own clothes. You always end up picking them anyway." But no, we have to go through this. We have to go through this every single morning. So I sort of created the whole ritual in stickers. As you can see, the very angst-ridden teen little sticker flake, the tired alligator mother in a bathrobe and a coffee cup, the okay sticker, and then basically some just befuddled looking stickers, because that's how I end every morning before school. Just befuddled. Like, what just happened? Why are we doing this? So, yeah, it just needed to be recorded for posterity, I guess. Those little stickers, the one with the shoe on it, I thought was kind of funny because Addie somehow lost one of her ballet shoes at ballet on Monday on the sidewalk outside of the dance studio. And my friend Carrie, a fellow dance mom, texted me and was like, "I think Addie lost a shoe." And I was like, "What?" Yeah, she did. But thank God Carrie found it. So she's going to get it to us on the next dance class. And then I was putting in a bunch of stickers. Basically, I could kick my own ass. So I've been keeping track of everything that I spend on my channel. But do you think that I kept the receipts? No. Why would I do that? That's like an adult, smart thing to do. Why would I do that? So as you can have been updated prior, I've been trying to gather tax information, which is like trying to catch a fart in the wind. I have not kept track of receipts or anything like that. So I'm on a witch hunt for basically all of my purchases and trying to gather all these papers. So that's what I needed to do on Thursday, was get a whole bunch of tax papers ready. And that's not my wheelhouse, you know that. So I put a little messy bun getting things done sticker, a little mad bee, or mostly confused bee. And then, let's see, I put some of these really cute sticker flakes. It looks like a little receipt in a little coin purse. Somebody sent me those, and they're actually from Japan, I think, and they're so adorable. So, yeah. And then I made a little tip-in of, because it stressed me out so much, I had to retreat to my iPad and do some Procreate drawing. That's what I do when I'm stressed. And I made a little Cupid Wheezette that I posted yesterday on the community tab, telling you about the live that I'm going to do on Sunday. Still have yet to figure out how to schedule it, but it'll be Sunday 1:30 p.m. Central Standard Time, Sunday, January 13th. But look at that Cupid Wheezette, you guys. Oh my freaking Lord, it's so cute. It makes me so happy to draw on Procreate and then put that stuff in the Greedy Weasel Facebook group. So fun. The Greedy Weasels is the membership to my channel. And if you pay to be a 99-cent a month member, you can be on the Greedy Weasel Facebook page where you can get all of these for free. Or I do put my stickers on Redbubble as well. So in case you're new and you didn't know, there's the snowplow. We'll get to that. And then I put in a little real life sticker and a little angry bee. And then on the back of my little tip-in, I put that I had a phone call with my friend Kathy, who helps to like moderate the Facebook group. And she also knows how to do Procreate really well, or better than I do. So she was giving me some tips on ways that I could make things easier and faster for myself. So you guys are all just the bomb. Thebomb.com. .com. And then I put a little teacup with a bird on it. I don't know why. And a little coffee cup. And next to my little sticker in the bottom of a llama, I sifted through my little die cuts and found a little speech bubble and put I'd rather be blowing bubbles, because that's just basically me in a nutshell. I don't like to do like the adulty part of work. I'd rather be blowing bubbles. So I just thought that was appropriate. And that was basically Thursday in a nutshell. And lucky for us, they declared there was to be a blizzard on Friday, starting Thursday night, actually. And then into Friday, it was supposed to be terrible. So I hand-lettered Friday, hand-lettered in quotations, with my Mildliner brush pens. And then I wrote Snow Day with my little Crayola Super Tips, because they canceled school in preparation for this blizzard, quote unquote. And it snowed, but it's not doing anything right now. Fists of rage! They could have gone to school easily. I mean, it could have been a late start and everyone would have been just fine. So I just find that so frustrating. And I know, how are they to know? How are they to know what it's going to do? But it's so frustrating when it doesn't pan out and then we have another day at home. Typically wouldn't frustrate me, except for they also have Monday and Tuesday off, you guys. So this is a long stretch of togetherness. So today we've been together, and my little Addie, she likes to do things. So I've been busy. And she got a llama pillow that you can sew yourself, a kit. So we've been doing that today. We've been learning how to sew. Straight stitch, back stitch, knots, sewing on sequins. We've been sewing. And it's been fun, but I've been busy. So I put in a little collage, and then I used my little Sasquatch sticker pack. It's a Recollections one from Michaels, and I liked the little "Oh well, Sasquatch." That's funny. And then I put kind of a moody cat from the PPAPPAPPIYO sticker set, because Henry has been in a mood today. I don't know what his deal is, but big moody Judy. And of course, I don't help. I mean, because when he's being rude, I could just leave him alone and kind of let him ride it out. But instead, I like to annoy him further and sing that old song. I don't know, it's probably like 6 or 7 years old.
Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too?
It doesn't help anything, but it makes me laugh. So there you go. It's a win. So, sometimes he just has to like have his little preteen moment, and then he's fine. But geez, where's my sweet boy? I mean, he's back right now. Him and Addie are downstairs playing Minecraft and making a zip line in Minecraft. So, it's just those moments where you get those teen glimpses that you're like, holy shit, what am I in for? And then I am tipping in a card that I made on Procreate as a little Valentine's card freebie that I also put in the Greedy Weasel Facebook group. And I used Beulah, the Bigfoot, in this card. And you guys, I hope you understand it. I think it's so cute and funny. So like, you get it how Bigfoot can hide, but he can't hide her love is so big that she can't hide it. It's like spilling out from behind the tree. Get it? I can't hide my love for you. I'm obsessed. I love it. It's so cute. It made me so happy. And mostly it made me really happy and proud that I could format it on my little like pages things that it could be printed out by someone. I was proud. And then I put a little I Heart Winter sticker on the back. And some of these cute little cross-stitch stickers that somebody sent me. It was this little sewing thread and needle. It was perfect for today. And then somebody else has asked me, do I plan out my pages in advance? No, I do not. It's in the moment, whatever I flip down. And as I was doing those, I started thinking about Henry and his little moodiness. And then I remembered something that somebody had posted on Facebook, a friend, the day before, and I decided I wanted to print it out and put it in there. So I'm taking up that little I Heart Winter sticker, and I printed off this little picture, and it said, "This storm is making me tired," said the boy. "Storms get tired too," said the horse, "so hold on." I thought it was so sweet, and it reminded me that, you know, I might think it's tiring dealing with like my kids' moods or whatever, anyone's moods, but you know, if you're having a mood, that's tiring too. Like it's tiring for everyone, you know. It's not just me suffering. It's, you know, it's them that is not happy. So, you know, have a little patience and hold on, because, you know, I don't know. I don't know if it makes sense, but I really liked it, so I put it in. And then I put some of my Sugar and Sloth washi from the Tiny Party box along the top, and a little piece of collage with some cross stitch and a little boy sticker flake. And that's the size of it, my friends. So I hope you're having a good Friday and a good start to the weekend. A long, long weekend of togetherness. I will talk to you soon. Bye.